There are two ways to copy or duplicate a set within Blooket, and they're both available to Blooket Plus users. The first way is to copy a public set into your own sets. So log into Blooket and click on Discover in the left-hand column. Search for a question set and then open up that set preview page. From here, navigate to where it says Copy and click Yes. This will open up the set in your own sets area, and you might notice that this is a duplicate in the title. Now you can edit this further, you can change the title, change whatever you'd like about it, and when you're ready to save it, click Save. Now you might notice that these sets that you've copied or duplicated are set to private by default. This is by design. You can still host live games and play with your class even with a private set. But if you've modified this set quite a bit and it's unique and you want to set this to public, all you have to do is click on this edit icon right here. From this, you want to click on Edit Info, and then you can always toggle this setting to public. Just make sure that it is unique, and you can always update the title right here. When you're happy with it, click Save, and it will be publicly available and discoverable. If you'd like to copy one of your own sets, go to My Sets, and then hover over the gear icon and click Copy for the set that you want to duplicate. Now you might notice that this opens up the edit page where you can edit things, manipulate them, and even update the title. Once you're happy, click Save. Now, if you didn't update the title, you'll notice that your own sets that you've copied say Copy, and any set that you've duplicated from a public set will say Duplicate. Now, these are also set to private by default, so feel free to go in and follow those instructions to update that. Now, duplicating sets is great because you don't have to start from scratch, but it becomes even more powerful when you merge sets to create maybe a review set or a master set. To learn how to do that, click on the video you see on your screen right now, or if you'd like to learn how to create your own set from scratch, click on this video right over here. We'll see you in the next one.